Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that is unexplained. We don't know why. Last year, Yusuf Mehdi, that overlooks, of course, Windows and the different experiences we have within the operating system, had shown us live in a demonstration that Edge new interface would be coming, and that Edge interface would have new rounded tabs. So this is what the rounded tabs look like. I've enabled them through a flag experimental feature called rounded tabs here, and I enabled them. So what it seems is that in the next few weeks, the flag will be removed, and the browser will be back with what everybody has right now, standard tabs. So you see that they're still around on the top, but they're attached to the address bar bottom here, where with the flag on, they were totally detached, and we really had a rounded bubble. So this is one of many complete user interface overhauls that Edge was supposed to get. And now all of that is scrapped. None of it will change. They say that Edge will just stay the way it is for now. And that all the flags that enable you to turn on features will be removed. So what explains this? Nothing. We don't have any news about it. They have not explained why they decided to stop and just leave it the way it is. But it seems that all of that work was done for nothing, as Edge will stay the way it is. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.